Hi everyone, welcome you all to the new lecture on isometric projection. In this problem, you are asked to draw a isometric projection of a cylinder of base diameter 60 mm and axis of 70 mm. So, the base diameter is 60 mm. So, I have to mark the base diameter as 60 like this. This is your 60 and axis of 70 mm. So I have to mark the 70 mm like this. This is your 70 mm. So in order to draw the isometric projection, the first thing what you have to do is you have to draw a square which bounds this circle. So that square side will be exactly equal to the diameter of the base circle. That is, this square is a 60 mm rectangle, square, 60 mm side. Then now to draw the isometric view, you have to first transfer this square to the isometric view. In order to do that, first thing, rotate your drafter to 30 degree and then from any point just make a line of 60 mm length like this. Then in the opposite direction, rotate your drafter to a 30 degree and then draw another 60 mm line from here like this. Now take your compass, measure 60 mm from here, make an arc like this in order to find the fourth point of the square. So now you have find out the fourth point of the square, then complete the square by connecting that point with other edges. Okay, now the next thing, you have to transfer this circle to here. So if you see this circle in the isometric view, it will be viewed as a ellipse in the isometric view, right? This circle will be viewed as a ellipse here. So that circle has to be transferred by using 4 center method only. So that 4 center method, to start the 4 center method, what you have to do first is you have to mark all the center point of the line. So this line has center point at here. Similarly, this line has center point as here. Now this center point has to be connected with the opposite corner like this. Similarly, this center point has to be connected with the opposite corner. Similarly, find out the center point of this line and that point has to be connected with the opposite corner. And find out the center point of this line and connect the point with the opposite corner. Now, in order you have to find out the center point, that is point O here. So to find the point O, just connect all the opposite corners. You can get the center point of this square, that is your point O. So this is your point O1. Now take your compass and from this intersection point measure this as your radius and then draw an arc like this. Similarly, this as your center, this as your radius, just draw an arc like this. Okay, then next thing, this point as your center, then this point as your radius, draw an arc like this. Similarly, this point as your center point and then this as your radius, this as your radius, draw an arc like this. Exactly, you will get the ellipse like this. So now from the center point, that is O1 point, just make a vertical distance of axis length, that is 70 mm here. This is your point O. Now this is your point, maybe okay. Now you just connect this end point, that is this point and this point. Not this point, you have to draw a tangent line to this arc from point O like this. So I will take this scale and this point has to be connected with the ellipse as a tangent line, not to touch this point. Similarly, this point has to be connected tangentially to this point. Okay, this is your final view. So now if you see, this entire thing will be visible, and from this line it will be visible like this. So these are the only visible lines. Just draw all these lines with your H pencil. These lines will not be visible, so you can erase that line even also. So this is your final isometric view of a cone given in the problem. Thank you all.